Hi there, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to make mermaid slime. I really like the mermaid slime where it has the pretty blues and greens and the iridescence. You can buy glitter glue. This one's by, looks like Crafty Kids. These I picked up in Canada when I was up there several weeks ago. And you can buy these guys and it'll make it a lot easier to do. Or you can buy, there's an option of buying these Elmer's glue. I pretty much used most of my green one, but I'm going to start from scratch. So I'm going to do one blue and I'm going to do one green. And I'm going to use clear glue for both. And then I'm going to add my colors and my sparkles so I can get some mermaid slime going on. So there's about 5 ounces in this bottle and I'm going to try to get as much out as possible. So first I'm going to start with the green and I'm going to use this food coloring that says electric green. We'll see how electric it is. I'm going to go with 2 drops for now and see what happens. It's always fun to watch it mix in with all the marbling and the swirls. This one probably, this green matches this green the most. It's not as neon as this one, but this will work. And so they have like kind of green or silverish type of glitter in it, so I'm going to add the same kind. And here's some white. Let's see how that looks. It's turning out to be a really pretty looking green. Okay, so for my activator on this, I'm going to use baking soda and contact solution. And since there's not a lot of slime, you don't want to use a lot of baking soda. A little goes a long way, so I'm just going to sprinkle some of it in. This is about 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to mix that in. Okay, so now I have contact solution, and I'm going to slowly add that in. Typically when I'm doing my clear slimes and I use contact solutions, I pop off the squirt top and I just pour it in, but since I'm trying to do this on camera and show you guys how you can do it, I'm not gonna just like slam it in case I overreact it just slightly. So it's thickened up a bit. I'll have to add some more in there. I mean, if you don't have baking soda and contact solution, you can do this with borax, or you can use a laundry detergent actually. Anyone that has like a green base, like Gain. Okay, so this one's thickening up, and I'm just going to probably let it sit here for a minute while I make the blue one, so that way I don't overactivate it right now. And for the blue, this one is the electric blue for the food coloring. And I will do 2 drops on this one as well, if I can get it out. There we go. Oh, I guess that's 3. Give it a whirl. That's dark blue. That's all right. And on this one, I'm going to add some blue glitter and some like hollow glitter. I'll put a little bit of blue in it. And then I will put some of this hollow glitter in it. There we go. So the Elmer's had some hollow glitter in it and some regular silver glitter. And the Crafty Kids had just blue glitter, it looks like. I'll bring it up here in just a minute. Okay, so it's kind of a in-betweener. So it's not as, it's dark like this, but it has the light specks of glitter like this one. So that works for me. I'm gonna go ahead and add my baking soda. Give it some sprinkles in there. Mix it up. And the baking soda just helps the contact solution make the slime faster. So here we go. I'm going to put the contact solution in, work it in there. I think this is going to turn out really nice. Put a little more in. It's pulling away from the sides, which is a good sign. It's a little sticky, but let's try this one. Let's take a look at the green as we let that one sit. And it's still a little soft, so I'm going to add some more. This blue is like amazingly like vibrant. I hope you can see that. This one's turned out well. Okay, awesome. So I'm gonna stick this guy here. I don't want to mix them just yet because I kind of want to play with them as individuals. They flow nicely. They feel good, they look good. Okay. Gonna do the mix. See how this turns out. That's pretty. Do you see that? It's like a waterfall of ocean water and seaweed and all the magical things that happened underneath the water. Look at that. As it slowly mixes in, it's getting that nice like teal iridescent look to it. Definitely has some nice pops. With mixing both of these together, it's made quite a fair size slime. Probably would fill 2, possibly 3 like containers. So you wouldn't need to use as much glue if you didn't want to. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will catch you on the next video.